Well, this is a sad day because my bro. Smell the odor.
Okay.
My picture is hope this down is
Honestly, quit making y'all stupid dumb channels. They suck
dude.
at everything.
I hate you.
I don't care. I know it's
I will turn off your
wrong.
TV.
If you want to, I'll put you down.
I'll slap you. But he's taking his medicine thing, and I'm just doing nothing here. I'm
This is not my
bored.
medicine. This is still my snoring because I sleep.
I'm gonna get on his phone.
I'm asleep. I'm asleep now.